everyone. Merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Eid Mübarek. Kurban Bayramımız mübarek olsun. We are in Eyüp Sultan. Let's begin.
Hoş geldiniz. Evet. Hop. Buyurun. Hoppa. Buyurun. Yap, yap, yap. Bye. Afiyet olsun. Siz? Alıyor beyazları. Tamam. Çekeceksin sade uzun.
Bir çatal, 2 tane de kandisi. Susamlı. 2. Ha.
Kaç oldu?
Tamam, 7.
22 lira ben.
This is the heart of the Eyüp. Eyüp Sultan Hazretleri is one of the first place to visit. A very important person for Muslims. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, friend he was. He wanted to conquer the Istanbul, but he couldn't, so he died here, and they found his grave, built this mosque, and this place became a very holy place to visit. Probably we're not gonna visit because it's very crowded. We're gonna enter to the mosque only to pray. We exit from the Eyüp Sultan Mosque, the tomb area. We enter to the Julius Road. After being girded with the sword of Osman, the newly crowned sultans would start their procession to Topkapı Palace down this road. So this is the Mehrişah Sultan Sebil, a fountain, but they were serving sherbet drinks. From right here you were able to get your sherbet for free, cold drink in a hot day probably. It's a nice place from 1800s. Look at the details, beautiful. And now they serve this. Pardon. This is the... You go ahead, go ahead. So this is the Aşevi, the soup kitchen, my friends, and people are waiting thinking that I'm taking a photo. Hopefully I'm gonna visit here. It is closed. It's a beautiful place. They serve for 3,000 people every day since in the beginning of the 18th century. After a nice walk, we are out from the crowds. We found this beautiful place very close to Julius Road. Now I'm gonna taste. This is named çatal because of the look. It looks like a fork. It's a salty pastry. And this one is kandil simidi. Bake these and share with others, with neighbors in special days. I can taste the mahle powder. It's a special powder. You can find it in where they sell spices. The çatal was softer than I thought. It becomes crunchy when I bake, but this one looks more crunchy. I like the kandil simidi better.
Kilosu 100.
After beautiful historical places, we are here to try İskender kebab. It is famous in this region. İskender kebab is one of the döner type to serve. It has pide bread base topped with tomato sauce, döner, scallops of yogurt on the side. Delicious way of having the döner. My daughter is going to have half bread of döner sandwich, and I'm gonna get the İskender. Bu pilav üstü döner.
Aynen doğrudur.
O kaç gram?
150. İki buçuğu atıyorum. Başla. Evet. Osman. 5. İskender geldi. İskender ikisi. Efendim. Hadi bakalım.
Bir İskender istiyorum.
Tabii.
4 tane 100 gram dürüm anlaşıldı değil mi? Bir dürüm acilen alabilir miyim ben? Afiyetler olsun. İskender geliyor.
Hani bakarken. Okay, it was nice, delicious. The meat was okay. The butter, the sauce, I can give like 7 out of 10. It's a nice big meal with 100 grams of meat. I'm very full, alhamdulillah. I'm gonna ask if they serve a tea, Turkish tea. I asked the owner of the restaurant where we can get the real local dessert. He said this tulumbacı, it's a fried dough, so we are going there. It is only 6 minutes walk. You can see the real local areas when you are walking.
Bu şimdi içeride hazırlandı. Karışımı yapıp indirmeye giriyor.
Evet.
Artık
Bir yarım kilo alayım. Okay, we bought our tulumba. There was a small mosque very close to the Rio Tulumba, so we stopped to pray, decided to taste here and then go back to crowds. This is really fresh. The owner said they bake it like freshly and it finishes within 2 hours. As you saw, it doesn't have any other ingredients than egg, water and flour. That's it. We are in Pierluti. We made it with my daughter, even though it's almost nighttime. It's really beautiful. Besides the crowd, we have full moon. I guess people were filming professionally. Okay, my friends, you saw the tea house. It's very beautiful, but I have never seen it this crowd, so don't come on Eid time. On holidays, come during weekdays, try to catch the not so busy time, but the view is so beautiful. We're gonna go back without having our tea.
Herkes onu çekiyor.
It's night time in Eyüp. Here is the end of the vlog. So come visit, give your comments below if you already visited. Where else would you want me to see? Make sure to check my other places to visit in Istanbul. I also have the Iskender kebab recipe. Check the links down below and see you next time. Bye.